Our on-demand virtual courses and our CASTED Experience series are the perfect way for aspiring performers of all ages like you to stay engaged in audition skills right from the comfort of your own home. Two Worlds Entertainment is dedicated to making sure you keep your singing, acting, dancing, and branding skills on par for any upcoming live audition or audition video submission. Our team of highly qualified and talented Broadway and New York City professionals come directly to your home on your phone, computer, or tablet 24/7. Our catalog of on-demand courses are designed for you to have instant access to them once they are purchased. Courses are available to start, stop, pause, rewind, or fast forward at any time. Our curriculum offers basics in all aspects of an audition, including nailing a dance combo at a dance call, organizing your music in your audition binder for your audition pianist, and ways to stay creative so that you can be your artistic best. Whether you are actively auditioning or on pause at home, our on-demand courses are the perfect way for making sure you keep your skills ready for any audition. We want you to achieve your dreams by looking and feeling your best on audition day. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started today.